Equipped with the latest and greatest in grilling technology, the Char-Griller AKORN Auto-Kamado is as easy to use as it is versatile. Whether you're cooking low and slow or hot and fast, with direct or indirect heat, the possibilities are endless. Knowing the best way to set up your AKORN for your cook will help you have a successful cooking experience. To get started, follow the lighting instructions in your owner's manual. Once the charcoal is lit, you can now set up your AKORN one of two ways, depending on how you are planning to cook. If you want to smoke between 200 and 275 degrees, ideal for pork shoulder, ribs, or brisket, or bake breads, pies, or pizza, then install the heat deflector before reinserting the cooking grate and closing the lid. If you are setting up to smoke at a lower temperature, add wood chips or chunks before installing the heat deflector. When using the heat deflector, it must be positioned as shown. This ensures that the built-in temperature probe and patented algorithm are free to read and adjust temperatures properly. If grilling burgers or chicken at 325 to 375 degrees, or searing steaks or chops at 500 plus degrees, just reinsert the cooking grates, leaving out the heat deflector. Then close and latch the lid to allow the grill to get to temperature so you can cook with direct heat. If you want some extra wood-smoked flavor, remove the center cooking grate and throw in some wood chips or chunks during your cook. Keep track of your food's internal temperature throughout the cook using the Auto-Kamado's meat probe. Check or change the temperature of the grill either directly with the digital controller or with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth using the Char-Griller app. Keep it low and slow around 250 degrees for an unrivaled smoking experience, or crank the heat to anything from 400 to 700 degrees for a perfect sear. Versatile, easy to use, and now fully automated. That's the Char-Griller AKORN Auto-Kamado. Char-Griller, seriously hardworking grills.